Let's talk about jobs, baby. Actually, let's talk about losing jobs. Coming up next. My friend, but it's not a good day to 853,000 people like you and me who filed for unemployment just last week. That is a crazy number. But more crazy is they thought, meaning the market, thought there would be only about 700,000 new claims for unemployment. So what? Airbnb had an IPO today and their stock price went up more than 100%. You want to know why? I think that soon to be homeless people are going to go into these Airbnbs and just squat, just live there. And that's why the stock price has gone up and up and up. What do you think about that? Besides my dumb jokes, please, if you like this type of content, like, subscribe, and comment, guys. It really helps out this video and the algorithms and can boost this up and help grow the channel so I can provide you more of this type of content on a regular basis. And I'm doing this on the daily for you guys. This crazy number, 853,000, is actually a sharp increase from last week's numbers, which were 716,000. Now that's nothing to sneeze at itself, but you may have not known that last week it was 700 again. It was 700,000, but they thought it would be only 400,000. So last week was even more crazier than now. So if my calculation is correct, within 2 weeks, there's been like 400,000 more people applying for unemployment than the market forecasted. The market is still up this week, making new highs, is going bonkers. But guess what? I don't think they actually need people to buy things. These people, these freaking 800,000 this week and 700,000, I think they don't need them to buy anything. It doesn't matter. Their game is just to get you and me and a ton of new Robinhood investors to plow in this market and just give them money so they don't care about fundamentals. They don't care about unemployed people. They don't care about the millions of people going to be evicted this month. No, they just care about greedy, newbie investors putting everything they have into this market. A little perspective, let's fall back. The numbers today, we haven't seen this bad of unemployment numbers since September. And the crazy thing, the icing on the cake is this. These numbers are before the lockdowns. Before the lockdowns. What's going to happen now? Because as you know, California and many parts of this country are locked the freak down. It will cause small businesses to crash and they will not hire these employees after we reopen again, adding hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people on the government payroll. This will cause millions of people to get on the government chow line, okay? The free cheese, the EDD money, right? Point numbers have been going up and up and up, and soon it's going to be spiking like this. And if this doesn't give you pause to those who are invested in this stock market, you may have cheese for brains. If you're invested in the stock market, if you're just a part of this economy, you should be really paying attention to this because this will definitely cause a shock to the system sooner or later. It's probably going to be later because look at all this bad news. It just doesn't faze anybody. We had a little dip in the Dow today, but you know what? Overall, no one is fazed by millions of people becoming newly unemployed. I think that is. Why? Nobody is paying attention to what's happening in the real world, in the real economy. Everyone is just looking at the stock market and just looking at it go up and up and up and seeing their investment go up. And that's all they're focused on. And they are just wearing blinders right now. It is just nuts. They are laser focused in this market. Their greed level has passed their intellect level. It's just way past. Their greed is surpassing all other mental functions right now. And you know what happens to greedy people in this type of market throughout history? Get slaughtered. Do not be a greedy pig, okay? Think with your brain. Take a step back. If you've made money, that's great. But just pause, look around what's going on, look at these unemployment numbers, look at real estate, look at the possible evictions, look at all this crazy economic turmoil that's going on, and then think to yourself, does the prices in the stock market, are they justified based on all the potential calamity that we see right now and what we see right ahead of us? We talk more about the stock market and more about investing. If you have questions, leave them below, because I could go on and on and on, as you guys probably guess. Anyways, let's smash that like, guys, and comment if you like this type of content or you have questions about the stock market, about investing, and I will definitely answer them. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned for a lot more of this type of stuff, but I do need your support. Again, I don't want to keep on nagging you, but it's really going to help this channel grow. It's going to allow me to do more for you guys. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful weekend, guys.